Number 1, 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $18,500, Corona, California. This one-owner 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray shows just 49,000 documented original miles. It is powered by the original L48 350 cubic inch V8, paired with an automatic transmission. The engine has been lightly upgraded and is reportedly producing around 441 horsepower at the wheels. Garage kept its entire life. It comes with 30 years of maintenance records, no accidents, and no known issues. Features include power windows, tilt steering wheel, factory air conditioning and heater, Bluetooth radio, original factory T-tops, plus a custom moonroof-style T-top setup. Clean California title in hand with current registration. A strong, low-mile C3 Corvette ready to drive and enjoy. Number 2, 1941 Chevrolet Sedan, $24,000, Indio, California. This original 1941 Chevrolet Sedan shows 35,000 miles and is powered by a classic inline 6-cylinder engine backed by a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Finished in black with a clean title. A true pre-war American classic with simple mechanical design and timeless styling. A solid collector piece that represents early 1940s Chevrolet craftsmanship. Number 3, 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door post, $25,000, Lake County, California. An iconic 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door post, powered by a small block 350 V8 and 3-speed automatic transmission. It retains its stock chassis, suspension, and brakes. The body is rust-free with good glass and trim. It includes a rear bumper extension and original fender skirts. The interior has been updated while keeping the stock bench seat look, and it rides on new tires. The paint shows some sun fade and minor surface rust. Off the road for several years, it will need minor tinkering. Clean California title in hand. Number 4, 1957 Continental Mark II, $25,000, Council Bluffs, Iowa. This final year 1957 Continental Mark II shows just 31,200 original miles. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Repainted in black with chrome replated about 15 years ago. Notable features include the signature hood ornament, wraparound windshield, egg crate grille, retractable antenna, and dual exhaust exiting through the rear bumper. A rare and prestigious American luxury classic from the golden age of motoring. Number 5, 1966 Plymouth Fury 3 station wagon, $25,000, Temple, Texas. This factory 383 big block wagon shows 147,000 miles on the odometer, which has rolled over. The 383 has been rebuilt with a cam, headers, and a Holley 750 carburetor, backed by an automatic transmission. It also features upgraded 4-wheel disc brakes. A 9-passenger cruiser with no rust and no air conditioning, this full-size wagon delivers serious power and unmistakable presence. Number 6. 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire, $25,000, Midland, Oregon. This 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire Coupe is powered by the 394 ultra-high compression V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It features bucket seats and center console, new Keystone wheels, and new tires. Originally purchased new in Portland, Oregon, it still includes the Protecto plate. Finished in sunset mist with fawn bucket seats, it runs and drives well. A stylish early 1960s personal luxury performance car with strong presence. Number 7. 1969 Ford Torino GT Fastback, $25,000, Queen Creek, Arizona. This 1969 Ford Torino GT Fastback is equipped with a small block 302 V8 featuring Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection paired with an automatic overdrive transmission. The odometer has rolled over. Upgrades include Willwood front disc brakes, refreshed front suspension and steering components, plus working air conditioning and heat. It has manual steering and manual brakes. The interior still needs finishing touches. Clean title included. Number 8. 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royal Convertible, $25,000, Topock, Arizona. An unrestored survivor showing just 10,421 miles, possibly original. Powered by a 455 cubic inch V8, likely backed by a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. The car is rust-free with excellent blue paint and a white interior showing only minor sun wear. The convertible top needs attention. Recent work includes a new battery, carburetor, fuel lines, vacuum lines, and new white wall tires. It runs and drives and has always been garaged. Number 9. 1970 Cutlass Supreme, $25,000, Dublin, Pleasanton, Livermore, California. This rare 1970 Cutlass Supreme is powered by a 455 cubic inch V8 and shows 117,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and a rust-free body. Built in Fremont, California, it carries strong Bay Area history. Highlights include 22-inch wheels, electric Cadillac seats, new gas tank, alternator, water pump, radiator, and power cable. It runs strong and starts every time. Clean title. Number 10. 1980 Cutlass Supreme, $24,000, Hudson, Wisconsin. This 1980 Cutlass Supreme Coupe shows 40,000 miles and is powered by a 260 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It features cold air conditioning and tilt steering. Cruise control is currently not working. It has new tires and a recent alignment. Purchased from the original owner 2 years ago. Title status is lien. An extremely clean and well-preserved example of a late classic Oldsmobile coupe.